how to add service list section on your website homepage on Wix. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Wix, this is the homepage. Now go to the top right here, click on add and click section to page right here. Now go right here, scroll down until you find, as you can see right here, the service list. Click on it and choose a template, for example this one, and wait a few seconds until it gave you this one in your home page. Now as you can see, you can change and edit your services from here. Click on service name, you can change the services and the images and everything just from here. Click on manage. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end. See you later.